Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature a beginner's guide to killer digital marketing. And also, revealed the ultimate goal of digital marketing and how it has helped me raise my brand awareness. Since the internet is a huge virtual space, digital marketing is used by everyone from online retail giants like Amazon to local companies using websites to advertise their products. In particular, digital advertising can be a powerful marketing tool for startups if you have the budget for it. Digital marketing not only allows people to make informed decisions about buying a company's products and services or brands, but it also allows people to build, support and grow their business online through tools like Google Business and even Google Ads. Using these online media channels, digital marketing is a marketing approach through which companies and brands can endorse, promote, and sell content related to their products and services, and drive their sales in the process. Digital marketing refers to all the different tactics and strategies you can use to generate leads over the internet. It includes all the activities you can do online to promote your business, from website design and content creation to ad serving and results in measurement. Numerical data is basic information about your target market and how to reach it. Inbound marketing is a customer experience that works with customers rather than against them. Content marketing convinces users that sellers know the niche and that their products are trustworthy. In contrast, content marketing campaigns involve writing content around a product. How the product is used, its advantages and disadvantages, tips and tricks, facts and statistics, and more. The best digital marketing content should be read like a magazine article, in the case of a blog post, or played like an informative PSA, in the case of a YouTube video, all to make the public aware of the client's problem, and how certain products and services will help the client solve this problem. How I have raised my brand awareness. Most companies that use social media marketers understand the importance of reaching their target audience and do so consistently. Because I combine my website with my social media outreach, I have significantly raised my brand awareness. The best social media marketing strategies encourage customers to follow your business, increasing brand awareness and customer loyalty. Consistent with digital marketing's philosophy of channel diversity, a strong social media presence gives viewers another way to engage with your brand outside of your company website. Using social media to promote blog posts or product pages on your website is in line with SEO efforts, as the influx of new ideas combined with SEO-optimized content will lead to higher rankings and research results. These are important tips for digital business marketing. People have been using digital media to improve their marketing for decades. Influencer marketing. Once considered the newcomer to digital advertising, influencer marketing has grown in both popularity and effectiveness, if done right. Influencer marketing is arguably the most popular form of sponsored content right now. Digital marketing. Digital advertising has also opened the door to remarketing, which allows you to convert storefront visitors into real customers of your offer using targeted marketing strategies. Understanding what your customers want. The specific marketing strategy you use will depend on your business, your offerings, and most importantly, your customers. The first step in marketing is understanding what your customers want, which can be difficult when dealing with such a diverse audience. If you offer a product or service that the market wants, you can successfully sell it digitally using the strategies in this guide. To have a deep understanding of how digital marketing works, you need to think of online marketing as a business, where online marketing channels are employees, with different skills, who work together to achieve a goal. Online marketing. All components of online marketing come together to generate traffic, raise awareness, and turn leads into loyal customers to ultimately maximize your ROI. Internet marketing. Internet marketing is affordable, helps companies reach people where they spend their time, outperform competitors, compete with bigger names, deliver better and faster results, engage mobile phone users, build brand reputation, and offer a higher ROI. The takeaway: the ultimate goal of digital marketing. Since the ultimate goal of digital marketing is to increase sales and lead generation for a business, brand, or business, certain skills must be mastered to be successful in digital marketing, which can be easily acquired by taking a digital marketing course. In addition to the many online webinars and online courses available, other approaches include building a network of experienced and successful digital marketing experts. Other productive strategies include spending time building strong professional relationships with these people to learn how to hone and master existing skills or learn new skills. Know when to end your campaign. Knowing when a campaign ends is also invaluable, as it will allow marketers to launch another campaign. This awareness allows marketers to plan ahead and prepare for certain events before they become a problem. More importantly, awareness helps marketers identify weaknesses in their plans so they can improve areas where needed changes are needed. Your email marketing strategy. A well-defined email marketing strategy involves using personalized emails to communicate with potential customers, build relationships with them, inform them of new offerings, and politely ask them to try or buy them. I hope you have found my podcast to help answer your questions concerning a beginner's guide to killer digital marketing. Please share your sentiments in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.